Whoa, big boy truck here at Unique Specialty and Classics today. This one's a 1961 Ford F-250 4x4 regular cab Stetpside. Definitely a model we don't get through here too often. All right, underneath the hood, 390 V8 power, and it has a sound to it. We're going to start it up here in a bit. Let's hear it run. 4-speed manual transmission, power steering. Power steering is going to be nice to have in this truck. It's actually out of a little later model Ford. Let's take a look at the chrome in the front grille, blacked out bumper, kind of a bright blue, medium blue paint, royal blue. Cool look on the truck with that color. All right, still pics, so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, bed. All the pictures of this truck can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's got the Gumbo Monster Mutter tires on it. Of course, the locking hubs up front. Let's take a look down this passenger side. There are some imperfections in the paint. Maybe a little touch up here or there. Or there might be a little nick or a scratch. It's a truck. Drive it, have some fun. Especially this 4x4 3/4 ton. You can see the dual exhaust exiting out the side. There's that Stetpside bed. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior too. And like I said, start it up, let's hear it run. Wood bed. Stainless strips. Go through a few of the specs on this. Mentioned the dual exhaust. Does have headers. Holley 4-barrel on that 390. Technician noted the electric wipers do work. Brakes are 80% in the front. Rears are good. The differential transfer case. Both front and rear diffs. And the transfer case. Fluid's good. Aftermarket stereo works. Did mention there's a powertrain seep, and as far as in-op odometer was in-op. Speedo reads 15 miles an hour fast, and the fuel gauge was in-op. Could use front shock bushing soon. So there's a few of the specs and the notes on it from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. Let's take a look down this driver's side. You can see this thing's a beast. This will be fun. If you like Ford trucks, no matter what year, what size, what model, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the video is uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done right off our showroom floor, of course, online. Another thing you can do is, if you know somebody that's into these trucks in the market for one, go ahead and share this video. Show it off a little bit. Maybe they'd be interested. And we sure appreciate all of you subscribers out there to our YouTube channel. Well over 100,000 now. Hard to imagine when we started out back in the mid-2000s. All right, let's see if I can get in this big boy. All right, tack mounted on the dash. The clutch pushed in, starter key over on the left side. Before I fire it up, I'm going to show you that Pioneer stereo system. Of course, manual, transfer, 4-speed. Guess it may have a granny gear up in that first. All right, let's get this fired up. It's been a little cold-blooded sometimes for me, so let's see if we can get her fired up quick here. There we go, popped right off. Radio is working, like I mentioned earlier. Back on the dash. We should be good now. That 390 sounds healthy. Rubber flooring in it, by the way. seats. It's the bench fabric seat. Headliner and visors. Door closes nicely. Hey, listen to this. Slip up to the front. Let me pause it a second too. That way I can get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. We'll get Jason to take it for a drive. Good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay, there it is, a 390 Holley 4-barrel. Power steering. Get it warmed up, runs pretty smooth. Looks like there may be a battery disconnect. Nope. There we got a jump port up there. Negative side maybe. Look at that. 1961 Ford F-250 regular cab, Stetpside 4x4. It's a beast. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1961 F-250 with a lovely sound. A 4-speed manual right here on the floor. Some big tires for lots of ground clearance. A great view from up high, and the most fun you can have. Our left turn signal is working. There's a little bit of slack in the steering. I don't really notice it while I'm driving. Tachometer right here, showing 1,500 RPM as we cruise along at 55 miles an hour. The amps are charging over halfway on the factory gauge. The engine oil pressure shows 40 on the factory gauge. We have a Pioneer stereo on the dash. The blower motor does work. 4-wheel drive, of course. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. And today it's actually quite dry out there. I got a car coming to wait for. Brakes are good, as you can hear. Very effective brakes. Shifting is easy and nice. The clutch feels good. Later model bench seat in this truck. The ride is good. You know, it's firm as an old 4x4 should be. A classic 4x4, I should say. But it is not overbearing. It's a fun truck and easy to drive. Check out all the pictures of this 61 F2